Hello, and welcome back to the Social Stack 66 Day Challenge, Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 12 of our challenge. For this challenge, I'm going to show you the ins and outs of creating a Facebook post. Before I do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, start now by subscribing to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. To make a post, you're going to find the button here that looks like Create a Post. Start by clicking that. And then right here where it says Write Something, you type whatever it is that you're looking to write. Before we do that, I want to share with you that I always highly recommend posting your content with either an image or a video. In the world of content, video is king, so that will help you get the most amount of views and the most engagement. However, if you don't have anything, if you don't have a video, a image is great to use as well, better than using nothing, and at the very least, go ahead and use one of the Facebook backgrounds. So if you have text that you want to say, but you don't really have an image or video to go with it, go ahead and click this little button here. And you'll see that some options pop up, and if you hit the tile on the far right, you'll get more, and you can scroll through. These backgrounds can relate to what you're saying, or they could just be kind of something fun and cute that you want to put in there. So all you do is select the one that you want, and type whatever it is you want into the body right here. If you click on a background and you don't like it, you can always just click on another one to see which one you like the most. The other thing I want to show you is just below that, there's a section here that says Add to your post. You can go ahead and click those three dots on the right. It says More, and we have some options. The reason they're not all colored is because I have that background on. So I'm going to go back, and I actually have something I want to post in here that I have on another page ready to go, so I'm going to copy and paste it. And because it's so long, it will get rid of the background. I just pasted my content right in there. And now when I go to those three dots, you'll see that there's more options, or that they're all selectable now. So you can go through these and label your post with some of these different things here. I like to use check-in a lot. I live near the Allstate Arena, so if I'm going to a concert or something, I'll add that I'm at the Allstate Arena. And if I don't have a picture, it will actually put a map right in my post of that location. I'm going to hit X on that. Show you what else we have here. Let's see. I'm just going to put North Lake because that's where we are. The other options are to raise money. You can add a feeling or an activity. Request to get gift card purchase. I don't want to leave the page here, so I'm just going to, you can either X out or hit keep editing. So the raise money is if you're doing a fundraiser. The watch party is if you are posting a video and you want to share that with people and invite other people to watch it with you. You can start this watch party. And the COVID update. This is obviously a little bit of a newer post. So you can mark your post as a COVID update. Mine is not, so I'm not going to hit mark as update here. Go back in one more time. The one you'll probably use the most is this photo or video, and then check-in and the feeling or activity are going to be close seconds to that. So feeling or activity, you can say, I am celebrating, eating, whatever it is that you're working on. Or feelings, you can say how you're feeling right now. And you can type in the search bar. So if you're mad, you can type in mad, happy, excited, so on and so forth. You get the idea. Same thing with activities. So I used one that I knew wasn't going to come up because you can see that that's very specific, whereas I thought exercise was one of them. Maybe they should add it. But that's okay. So you can see there's some in here. So I'm playing what? Soccer, cricket, chess. You can go on in there. Video games. Choose what you're playing. So it's a secondary option for you. Okay. I didn't want that selected anymore, so if that ever happens to you when you click on it, you can see that this has kind of got that red circle around it now. If I click on it again and choose that same town, click it, now that red circle's gone, so it's not going to check me in anywhere. Okay, so that's all of the fun buttons down here. Let's go ahead and add a feeling. We'll do excited. Oops, I didn't want activities, I wanted feeling. I put feeling excited. And then you'll notice in my post I have some emojis in there. And even though this is a business page, I like to add the emojis because it does make it seem a little bit more personal and a little less like a business post. And maybe people will think that it's not really, not that people think it's spam, but sometimes business posts can come off as a little spammy, and we don't want that. So this makes it a little bit more relatable, a little bit more fun. And then what I said I'm going to do is I recommended adding your photo or your video. I have a video ready to go. I'm just going to drag and drop mine over here. I have it on the other page. If you don't have it ready to drag and drop, when you click the three dots and do photo, click that photo or video button, it will open up a file finder on your computer. So you can see mine's right in my downloads folder. I can go to my desktop. But like I said, I have mine ready to go on my desktop already, so I'm just going to go ahead and click and hold and drag it right over where it says drop photos or videos. So when I let it go, you can see the preview pulls up here, and it's got a play button, so we know it's a video. I can always edit it, add more, or delete it if I grab the wrong file and I don't want that. All right, so you can see at the top it says the social stack is feeling excited, and that's because we added that feeling. I have it as public. All business page posts will be public. You can change that setting on personal profiles, but for businesses, you'll always be public, so you won't be able to change that. I've got my text in there, I've got my hashtags, and I've loaded in my video. I'm going to go ahead and hit post. I do want to let you know you'll always have this boost option. I recommend if you want to get into paid advertising with Facebook, don't do the boosts, actually do Facebook advertising. They have a lot more criteria that you can put in there so you can target your audience better versus just paying to get more eyes on it of random people. So if you do want to get into paid advertising, do actual Facebook ads and stay away from that boost. I'm going to go ahead and hit post. And now mine's a video, so it might take a couple minutes to upload. It hasn't loaded in just yet. Let me go ahead and refresh the page here. See if that helps get us there faster. And you can see this was my pin post that we went over the other day. So that's why that's always going to show up first for us now. Let's give it one more go on the refresh. Usually when you post a video, you'll also get a little notification up on your bell that will say that your video is done posting up here. And we can see that it's right here. So now I've posted that to my page. And here we go with my video. And it should, it'll just kind of keep rerunning on its own in a nice little loop. So that's everything for creating a post. So it's going to conclude our training for the day. So just remember to join me tomorrow for our next challenge. I'm going to go over some other post details on how to do fun things like edit and delete if you made a mistake, and then how you can comment and reply as well. So before we do that, go ahead and let me know in the comments which post feature you like the most, whether you like the adding a background, tagging your location, or adding your feeling or what you're doing, your activity. Then remember to like and subscribe and click that bell for alerts. And when my new videos become available, you will get a notification. So I'll see you tomorrow.